Hello everyone, welcome back to this ukulele lesson series for children. This is Series 2, Lesson 2. In today's lesson, we're going to be learning two new chords, E minor and D major. We're also going to learn how to play a song called Wagon Wheel. Hey, I got a blue ukulele today!
Yay!
I also got a new t-shirt. This is my new favorite t-shirt. Do you know this guy? As always, make sure that your ukulele is tuned before doing this lesson and get your ukulele up nice and high like this. That will help us to strum better. So let's start with our new chords. We're gonna do E minor first. E minor looks and sounds like this. We're gonna need 3 fingers to play E minor, and we're gonna start by playing the 2nd fret on the bottom string, that's here. We're gonna use our pointer finger and hold down like this. Then we're gonna play the 3rd fret on the next string up. That's a 2nd string. Gonna use our middle finger like this. And then we're gonna play the 4th fret on the 3rd string. That's the next string up. And that's it. You're gonna hold down on these 3 notes and then strum all the strings like this. Kind of looks like a staircase. Let's find that again. We're gonna play the 2nd fret on the bottom string with our pointer finger. Then we're gonna play the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. And then we're gonna play the 4th fret on the 3rd string like this. The next chord we're gonna do is D major. D major looks and sounds like this. D major is a little tricky because we have to squish all of our fingers in on the 2nd fret. We're also gonna be using 3 fingers to play this chord. We're gonna start by playing the top string, 2nd fret, here. That's up here. We're gonna use our pointer finger, okay? Then we're gonna play the next string down also on the 2nd fret. We're gonna use our middle finger. And then we're gonna play the 2nd fret, 2nd string right here with our ring finger. So it's like 3 in a row. And then the bottom string's open. This one's hard to squish all of our fingers in. If that's the case for you, what you can do is you can switch around these top 2 notes, the fingers. You can reverse them, so you can move your pointer finger down and your middle finger up. So they're like staggered like this. If this video is helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up. Let's practice finding D major again. We're gonna play the top string 2nd fret here, the pointer finger. Then we're gonna play the next string down, 2nd fret, middle finger. And then we're gonna play the next string down also on the 2nd fret, ring finger. One other way you can play this is to use one finger, like your pointer finger, and just mash all 3 strings down at the 2nd fret. And then you gotta try to mute the bottom string though. You can do that by just tilting your finger up a little bit like this. If you end up playing all the notes, it sounds kind of cool. It's not D major, it's called D6. Sounds very Hawaiian. Let's learn how to play the chords to Wagon Wheel. The chords you're gonna need to know are G major, D major, E minor, and C major. Let's start by going to G major. Let's just do a little bit of strumming here just to get warmed up. We're gonna be playing quarter notes. That means we're gonna do 4 strums per chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we're gonna do 4 strums on G major. Next, we're gonna switch to a D major. That's the new one. 2nd fret, 2nd fret, 2nd fret. It's the 3 in a row, okay? Let's do 4 strums on that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to E minor. That's the other new chord. We're gonna start on the bottom string, 2nd fret, go up a string, 3rd fret, and up 1 more string, 4th fret. Looks like the staircase. 4 strums. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last chord is C major. 4 strums. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's keep going. We're gonna go back to a G major. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now D major. 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time we're gonna go straight to C. We're gonna skip the E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're actually gonna do one more measure of C major, which is just 4 strums. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go around on that progression again. G major. 1, 2, 3, 4. D major. Give you a little time here. 1, 2, 3, 4. E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. C major. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's gonna keep going. Back to G major. 1, 2, 3, 4. D major. 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. And C major. 1, 2, 3, 4. And another C major. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you need more content for learning? Finding quality arrangements and sheet music can be difficult for beginners. This is why I've created a digital library of music that is helpful for students. You can find these arrangements on my Patreon account. As a member, you'll have access to my digital music learning books, custom arrangements that I make for my private students, YouTube arrangements, and tons of jam tracks. Visit my Patreon account and become a member today. Your access to high-quality digital sheet music is just a click away. All right, now we're gonna play Wagon Wheel with the singing. I'll give you a 4 count and then we'll begin. Starting on a G major. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Let's go around again. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. And then we can end it on a G right here. If it's difficult for you to keep up with the chord changes on the singing version, that's okay. There are a couple options for you. You can just do your best and try to catch up, or like skip ahead and try to play the next chord that's coming up. You can also put this video in 3/4 speed. Do you know how to do that? Something that you can do that's very helpful is to practice switching chords over and over again, just back and forth. Whatever chords you're practicing. So for example, these 4 chords to Wagon Wheel, you can just do 1 strum, or not even strum, you can just move your fingers back and forth on the chords. I like to do this while I'm watching TV. It helps to develop muscle memory so that we can get to the chords quickly. Thanks for being here with me today, everyone. I hope that this video was helpful for you. Please check out the next video in this series because it's gonna be awesome!